Thank you and welcome to another webinar on LinkedIn and YouTube hosted by My Solo 401k Financial. We'll be getting started momentarily. We're just waiting for the viewers to join and testing the audio. Okay, it seems that the audio is working. First off, with some housekeeping, please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. If you're watching on YouTube, you're also going to be able to chat if you're on YouTube. So if you have questions, feel free to chat that over and we'll field those questions sequentially. Today's topic is a great topic. We're talking about investing in cryptocurrency with investing retirement funds in cryptocurrency and why security is the #1 advantage of a crypto solo 401k over a crypto IRA. So before we get into that good content, let's start going through some of the housekeeping. So first of all, the presentation is being provided for educational purposes only and should not be construed as tax, legal, or investment advice, nor as a solicitation. When making an investment decision, please consult with your tax attorney and financial professional. We want to highlight some of the resources. So first of all, in our community, which it's free to join, all are welcome. The address is mysolo401k.net/my-community. I'll chat that over. So again, free to join, all are welcome. We have webinars every day where you can come and ask questions. You can hear what other people are asking. You can post questions 24/7 in our forums. So you can see what other people are asking, ask your own question, just click create post. So it's a great way to learn and share the knowledge. So today's topic again is to talk about cryptocurrency investing with retirement money and the security advantages of a crypto solo 401k versus a crypto IRA. Because of course, if your account is hacked, it doesn't matter how much you might have made investing. So to first lay the foundation on this good topic, we're going to talk about the current options to invest retirement money in cryptocurrency. We're going to focus on the security advantages of a crypto solo 401k over a crypto IRA. Then we're going to talk about the steps to invest in cryptocurrency using a crypto solo 401k. And then again, finally, at the end, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to chat those over. So in terms of the current options to invest retirement money in cryptocurrency, this is a great slide as it visually represents the current options that are out there. So if you look at the blue chip IRA providers, so for example, Fidelity, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, they don't allow or don't offer an IRA account that allows you to directly trade cryptocurrency as a consumer or as a retail investor. On the other side of the equation, the cryptocurrency exchanges, so for example, Coinbase or FTX or crypto.com, as common examples, don't offer IRA accounts. So to meet that demand, in the past year or so, there have been crypto IRA companies that have opened up shop. At the same time, there are companies like us that offer solo 401k plans where we've been helping clients invest in cryptocurrency for many, many years. So you've got the two different options there to fill that gap, which is the crypto solo 401k and the crypto IRA. So fundamentally, in order to understand the security advantage of a crypto solo 401k, it's important to understand how the rules that apply to an IRA are different than the rules that apply to a solo 401k. So the IRS rules require that all IRA accounts be administered by a third-party bank or trust company. So for the crypto IRA investor, this effectively means that the crypto IRA provider will have access to your account. So if the crypto IRA provider is hacked, this could put your crypto retirement holdings at risk. Now with the solo 401k, the business owner. So in order to set up a solo 401k, you have to be self-employed with no full-time W-2 employees working for any business owned by you or a spouse, if any. So you are the business owner. So you may serve as trustee of the crypto solo 401k. So again, per the IRS rules, the trustee of a 401k plan may include the business owner, i.e. you. So this means for the crypto solo 401k investor that the crypto solo 401k provider, like us, for example, will not have access to your account. So effectively, that means that you don't have to worry whether or not the crypto solo 401k provider is hacked, because again, the crypto provider is not going to have access to your account. In terms of additional security considerations, in terms of the crypto IRA offerings, in terms of those crypto IRA providers that have popped up in the past year or so, they typically offer only one designated platform or exchange. Whereas with the crypto solo 401k, you can access many different exchanges and even decentralized finance investing. So that means that you might be able to choose an exchange that has certain features, whether it's security features or investment features that you're looking for that may not be offered through the platform or exchange that the crypto IRA provider might offer. It also means that you could have accounts and investments at multiple exchanges, right? So you could spread out the risk, the security risk. So even if one exchange is hacked, it's not going to bleed over into the other exchanges where you have your other investments at. Another security consideration in terms of why a crypto solo 401k has a security advantage over a crypto IRA is storage. So there's a lot of crypto investors who want to store their investments on a private wallet, so a cold wallet. So with the crypto IRA, it must be stored, the investment, the cryptocurrency must be stored with a third-party custodian. Whereas with the crypto solo 401k, you have the option to store your cryptocurrency investments at the exchange, in cold storage, or even in a cold wallet. So with the next couple of slides, we're going to look at the different options. So we're going to start out with the crypto IRA storage options. So here, the scenario is I purchase cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin, with my crypto IRA. What are my options to store the private keys? So number one, a custodial wallet associated with an account in the name of my crypto IRA. For example, a hot or cold wallet on a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase. So yes, that is a viable option to store your crypto IRA investment. However, you cannot store, under the rules, your crypto IRA investment on a non-custodial hot wallet, such as software or an app that's on your laptop or smartphone, stored at your home or personal residence. You also are not able to store your crypto IRA investment on a non-custodial cold wallet, such as a Nano or a Trezor, stored at your home or personal residence. Finally, you're not able to store the crypto IRA investments in a non-custodial cold wallet stored in a safety deposit box associated with your crypto IRA account at a bank or a credit union. And that's really practically because banks and credit unions don't offer safety deposit boxes for a crypto IRA, or excuse me, for an IRA account. So let's compare and contrast that with the crypto solo 401k storage options. So here the scenario is I purchase cryptocurrency like Bitcoin with my crypto solo 401k. What are my options to store the private keys? So number one, just like with the crypto IRA, you can store those private keys on a custodial wallet associated with an account in the name of your crypto solo 401k, like on Coinbase, whether it's a hot or cold wallet. again, just like with the crypto IRA, you're not able under the rules to store your crypto solo 401k investment on a hot or cold wallet stored at your home or personal residence. So it's the same. But with the crypto solo 401k, you got an additional storage option because you're able to store the cryptocurrency on a non-custodial cold wallet stored in a safety deposit box associated with your crypto solo 401k bank account. So it offers another storage option. So now that we understand the basis of why security is an advantage because of the structure and because of the rules that apply differently to a crypto solo 401k versus crypto IRA and the other considerations. So why security, there is a security advantage of a crypto solo 401k over crypto IRA. Let's turn to the steps to invest solo 401k funds in cryptocurrency. So now that you understand the advantage, how can you do it? So number one, you have to open a solo 401k. So that, first of all, you have to be eligible to open up a solo 401k. So you have to have some type of self-employment activity. You could have a W-2 job and have a side business or side self-employment activity. You don't need to have a formal entity. For example, you could be operating as a sole proprietor. The key is that you're reporting some type of self-employment activity on your taxes. There's no minimum amount. The key is just that it's legitimate and consistent. So for example, it could be activity that's reported on Schedule C of your 1040, which is where sole proprietors report their earned self-employment income. And then the other factor is that you're not able to have full-time W-2 employees working for any business that you owned or even a business owned by a spouse, if any. So once you're eligible, you would just need to open up a solo 401k account through a provider that offers a plan that allows for cryptocurrency investments. And of course, you'd want to find a provider like us that has experience, as we do for many years, in helping others invest solo 401k funds in cryptocurrency. So then you need to fund the account. So that would entail opening up a bank or a brokerage account in the name of the solo 401k. So as part of our onboarding process, we're helping our clients open up accounts at hundreds of different banks and brokerages, where we're preparing the paperwork that the bank and the brokerage would require to open up the account, again, under the name and the EIN of the plan. We obtain an EIN number from the IRS for our clients as we're onboarding them. And then you can fund the account. You could fund it multiple ways. One would be to transfer money from an existing retirement account, like a former employer plan or a non-Roth IRA. And you could also make contributions, where you could take some of that earned self-employment income and save it in your 401k. So once you've funded the solo 401k account, the next step would be to open and fund an account at a cryptocurrency exchange. And again, with our plan, you have access to many different exchanges. You just need to find an exchange that will open the account. And we have, guides and resources. We can help you find that exchange in the name and the EIN of the plan. And then you'll just simply transfer the funds from the solo 401k bank or brokerage account to the account at the exchange. Once you've got the US dollars in the account at the exchange that's opened up under the name of your plan, of course, it's now time to invest. And then lastly, storing the cryptocurrency. And we talked on the previous slide about the crypto solo 401k storage options. So that takes us to the end of the slides we wanted to share. We thank you so much for the participation. If you do have questions, we do have time. If you're watching as a recording on YouTube, you can post questions in the comments. Again, you can also go to our community where we have daily live webinars every day hosted by our owners. We also have forums where you can post questions 24/7. So it's simply mysolo401k.net/my community. You can see that's our forums page where folks are asking questions throughout the day, and you can see what other people are asking. You can ask your own question, see the responses, or again, the events page. So We'll be back on Monday with our daily live webinar. You can check, just continue to check in and check out what the schedule is in terms of the content. So it's a great way to learn and share the knowledge. That's the community site link, or the URL, mysolo401k.net/mycommunity. Again, please like this video and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you so much for the participation, and all the best. It doesn't look like there's any questions at this point. So thank you again. Take care.